What is a chemical equation? A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using symbols and formulas of the substances involved. What are reactants in a chemical equation? Reactants are the substances that start a chemical reaction and are present on the left side of the chemical equation. What are products in a chemical equation? Products are the substances formed as a result of a chemical reaction, present on the right side of the equation. Why is balancing a chemical equation important? Balancing a chemical equation ensures the law of conservation of mass is followed, meaning the mass of reactants equals the mass of products. What symbol is used to show heat in a chemical equation? The symbol delta, is used to show heat in a chemical equation. What is the coefficient in a chemical equation? The coefficient is the number placed before the symbols, formulas in a chemical equation to balance it. What is a skeletal chemical equation? A skeletal chemical equation is an unbalanced equation that shows only the reactants and products. Give an example of a balanced chemical equation. 2H plus O right pointing arrow 2HO. What does an arrow, right pointing arrow, represent in a chemical equation? The arrow represents the direction of the chemical reaction, from reactants to products. What is a reversible reaction? A reversible reaction is a chemical reaction where the products can revert to reactants under certain conditions. What is a combustion reaction? A combustion reaction is a chemical reaction in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat and light. Write the chemical equation for the combustion of methane. CH plus 2O right pointing arrow CO plus 2HO. What is an endothermic reaction? An endothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that absorbs energy from its surroundings. What is an exothermic reaction? An exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of heat. What is meant by the conservation of mass? The conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Write the balanced chemical equation for the formation of water. 2H plus O right pointing arrow 2HO. What is a decomposition reaction? A decomposition reaction is when a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. Give an example of a double displacement reaction. NaSO plus Bakal right pointing arrow Baso plus 2 Nakal. What is meant by a neutralization reaction? A neutralization reaction is a chemical reaction between an acid and a base, producing salt and water. Write the balanced equation for the reaction of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. HCl plus No right pointing arrow Nakal plus HO. What is a chemical equation? A chemical equation is the